Hi, everyone! Today, we're sharing a video showing how to install Dazuma's waterproof European-style solar fence lights. The product package includes one accessory bag containing 4 expansion screws, one remote control, one instruction manual, one European-style solar fence light, First, place the product directly where you plan to install it. Then, mark the areas as shown in our demonstration. Use an electric drill to drill holes at the marked locations. Insert the 4 expansion screws from the accessory kit into the holes. Remove the 2 retaining rings and 1 nut from the 4, the expansion bolts, and store them safely. Next, connect the 2 push-and-quick connect terminals you have provided to your power supply cable. Connect the power cord at the bottom of the product to the push-on-quick connect terminals you have provided. Next, place the product in position. Reattach the 2 retaining rings and 1 nut from the 4 expansions, bolts you removed earlier, following the order shown in the video. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.